Prepare to be awestruck. The ground will shake, the air will crackle, and your heart will race as these colossal machines conquer the forest. It's a visual and auditory feast you won't want to miss. Think you've seen it all? This lumberjack is about to flip the world of tree felling on its head. Literally. He's tossing the rulebook aside and doing things his own way. What's he up to? I'm not even sure, but one thing's certain, it's going to be insane. Don't blink, because you won't want to miss this. This isn't your grandpa's lumberjack act. It's something entirely different. He may look like a rebel, but trust me, there's a method to the madness. Wow, as someone who's terrified of heights, this is a total nightmare for me.
Tiens-toi! Il est pas tenir. Ça, c'est un bollock. Ouais, ils m'ont entendu fouiller. Ça va, Quentin?
That Mac, likely a granite model judging by the payload, was really laboring up that grade. Overloaded rear axles put tremendous strain on the drivetrain, but that's what those trucks are built for. Check out the RT400. This land-clearing beast is a fusion of steel and raw power. Watch it tear through this stubborn stump with ease, its powerful teeth ripping into wood and roots without mercy. It's a performance of destruction, a display of pure strength, a true marvel of mechanical chaos, a real giant in the world of machines. The Spalt-Fix K650 Vario is a game-changer in firewood processing. This heavy-duty machine tackles logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter, cutting, splitting, and loading with ease. Thanks to its cutting-edge hydraulic system, it offers seamless performance and exact splitting. Plus, the optional conveyor belt system boosts efficiency. Curious how it splits firewood? Stay tuned. You'll get to see how the precision engineering of this tool makes log splitting effortless.
There it goes.
Designed for optimal performance and unmatched durability, the AX19 brush chipper marks a major leap forward in land management machinery. Powered by a strong 173 horsepower, 123 kilowatts, John Deere diesel engine, this heavy-duty machine excels at handling high-volume tasks in extensive land clearing projects. Its adaptability, whether mechanically or hand-fed, also makes it an excellent choice for smaller, rural job sites. Flying a helicopter requires an impressive level of precision and skill. The way the collective pitch, cyclic control, and tail rotor pedals work together demands top-notch coordination and expertise. Seeing this kind of mastery in action is truly awe-inspiring. How do you down a hung tree with the use of a chainsaw and gravity alone? Here it is. Not for the faint of heart, but a very effective cut. A lot of people freaked out when I first posted this thinking it was dangerous, until they tried it. Hull Oaks showcases a remarkable chapter in industrial history. Once steam-powered, their move to electricity reflects a significant transition of the time. Today, they've found their niche in providing rare boat components. This PV stands as a prime example of early logging tools, emphasizing the massive scale of lumber operations. What we see here is a genuine piece of history. Before cutting down a tree, it's important to clear the area around it and plan an escape route. These are essential steps to keep in mind.
Spins the rings up under the table.
The Maho Slicer Dicer, also known as the Wappa Choppa, takes wood-splitting efficiency to the next level. Powered by a 48 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, it effortlessly cuts through logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter. With a rapid 5.5 second cycle time, it splits logs into 5 even pieces, boosting productivity. Automated in-feed and out-feed conveyors minimize manual work, improving both safety and workflow. Its hydraulic brake trailer offers easy mobility for on-site use. This machine is the top choice for high-volume operations. Emerging from a snow-covered forest with nearly 100 tons of timber, the Volvo F16 proves its strength as a top timber truck. Its powerful drivetrain handles tough terrain, while its impressive turning radius ensures excellent maneuverability. Combined with Volvo's Dynafleet system for fleet optimization, it's a top choice in the timber industry. Watch the video and you'll see why it's a dream truck for timber drivers. Check out how effortlessly it yanked that thing out. The Deutz-Fahr Agritron TTV 630, with its 203 horsepower, made quick work of removing that huge stump like it was a walk in the park. That's what power and precision look like in action.
Mount it!
Looking for a grinder that can handle tough jobs? The Bandit Beast 4680, with its 60-inch cutter mill and powerful engine, is built for big projects. Its wireless remote keeps you safe, and the adjustable discharge simplifies material handling. If efficiency is key, the Beast 4680 is a great choice. There's something truly inspiring about someone who works effortlessly alongside their animals. The sight of these horses, perfectly suited for the job and enjoying the task, highlights the lasting importance of working in sync with nature. When I saw the Ritter D40 in action, I was blown away by its power and adaptability. This semi-professional winch runs effortlessly thanks to its dual chain drive, offering both reliability and a quiet operation. Its firm hold on cables, even in tough conditions, is truly impressive. With its compact design and robust performance, the Ritter D40 is an essential tool for forestry and agricultural work. Trees can be unpredictable, so it's important to be cautious when handling them. Timber transportation is crucial to the forestry supply chain, requiring skill and precision. Operators of trucks carrying over 60 tons face challenges like rough terrain and load safety. Technologies like GPS and stability control improve efficiency and reduce risks. The Capson Extreme 2 brings to mind a steel stallion, but with significantly more power under the hood. Its performance is remarkable, especially given its compact size. With upgrades to its control systems and safety features, this machine has the potential to become a game changer for the timber industry. Timber extraction with a Timberjack 230 forwarder in the Bieszczady Mountains. This rugged machine is ideally suited for the challenging terrain, offering excellent maneuverability and load capacity for efficient timber harvesting in this environmentally sensitive area. When the customer says the house is coming down, you make sure to take action. Wow, this danger feels like something straight out of a movie. It looks like these guys don't realize the risks of cutting down trees. This could be a wake-up call for them.
Take it down. I got out of the water.
The Mini Lunneran Oxen is a versatile forestry machine for small-scale logging and forest maintenance. It features a hydraulic system for easy operation and comes with 11 horsepower, 13 horsepower, and 14 horsepower engine options. Compact at 170 centimeters long, 115 centimeters wide, and weighing 500 kilograms, it's perfect for clearing brush, loading logs, and transporting timber. And that's all for today's Forestry Machine Showdown. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're the first to see the next round of epic machines. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep the power running.